Hello and welcome to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. Today's video is super impromptu, hence no makeup. My hair's a mess, but today's Ella's birthday and I vowed when she was in my belly that I would make her a cupcake or cake every year on her birthday. So today we're gonna be making cupcakes. I'm using Funfetti mix because I feel like that's like a really cool kid friendly cupcake, and then we are going to be making a buttercream frosting, which is what I wanted to share with you today. So excuse the appearance, but let's make some cupcakes for my girl because as you can imagine today is probably not the most easy day, so for me to get up and actually do this is pretty impressive. So I'm going to start on the cupcake mix and then I will meet you here soon. Okay, so I made my batter and using my handy dandy ice cream scoop, I scooped it into here. And now this is going to go into my oven. I preheated it at 350. I think these are baking for 19 to 23 minutes. And then I'll meet you here when they're cooled off so we can make our buttercream frosting. Alright, my cupcakes are cooling. My lips are purple because I just ate cherries. But what I have in here is, I don't know if I can show you. This is unsalted butter. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to let this mix for about 5 to 10 minutes to get the butter to really break down. Because the last thing you want is to bite into a cupcake and taste butter. So once that's broken down, I'm going to gradually start adding some confectioner sugar. And I most of the time go through the whole 16-ounce bag. You'll also need some vanilla extract, some salt, and then heavy whipping cream just to kind of thin it out if you need to. But yeah, I'm gonna start mixing this and then I'll show you what that looks like when it's done. All right, look at how creamy and like fluffy it's getting. So this is exactly what you want. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start adding in my powdered sugar, about a 1/4 cup at a time. So like so, and I'm going to do that until it's gone. So just be patient. I know I'm not the most patient person, so if I'm telling you to be patient, you have to be patient with this. Just mix it in, scrape the bowl, add another 1/4 cup, mix it in. You know what I mean? Just so that you get a nice, firm, like gorgeous buttercream. I don't know if you can hear me over the mixer, but I forgot to mention when you do this, always start on low because otherwise you're going to get a powdered sugar facial. So when you put the sugar in, always just start on a low speed and then work your way up if you need to, okay? Because otherwise you're going to powdered sugar everywhere. So I'm only halfway done with my bag, but what I want to do now is just add in a little bit of my vanilla and a pinch of salt and then continue to add in the sugar mixture. You can do it at the end too. I'm going to do it now because I don't want to forget it. So you can go ahead and do that now. Just about a tablespoon of vanilla and just a pinch of salt. Okay, so my frosting is completely done. Look at that. I just want to show you like perfection, right? I tasted it just to make sure everything was blended. And then, sorry, I'm going to take this off my fingers. This is the point, hold on. This is the point where you're going to decide whether you need heavy whipping cream. If your frosting seems like it's too thick, you can't pipe it, you're going to want to add in heavy whipping cream 1 tablespoon at a time. Mine's perfect. I don't need it. I'm just going to pipe it and then I will be all done. So all I did was take a piping bag, right? Put the bag in a glass. I'm going to fill up the piping bag with my frosting and then I'm gonna pipe it. So let me see if I can do this. I'm filming this on my cell phone, so it's a little bit harder, but let me see if I can show you. Okay, so I have my frosting. I'm gonna take it, scoop it into my bag, and if you make too much, you can always put this in the fridge for a couple days. And then that is it. I do a little bit at a time because otherwise I make a big mess. So I'm gonna grab my cupcakes and we're gonna frost. Here are my cupcakes, nice and cool. I hope you can see this. Oh, my thing went in there. I always do like a practice cupcake because the first one always comes out really wonky. But there we go. That's the best I can do. Maybe start in the middle and work my way out. Look at that. Look at this. I just want to show you. Perfection, right? Am I right? I'm right. So I'm going to finish piping the rest and then we're going to finish them off with little ones. So, alright, so I got these little ones. I'm just going to place a couple. I only have 5 and some cupcakes. So, we know it's for her. So this is the finished product. Let me show you. So this is the finished product. As you guys can see, I'm not an expert at decorating or piping, but you know what? I don't care because it's for my girl and they look amazing and they're gonna taste amazing. So I hope you guys enjoy.